Okay friends, it's time to replace our driver's side wiper blade. Now to do this, you want to carefully lift up on your wiper blade arm. Keep in mind that this is under spring retention, and if you were to let go of this arm, it's going to want to fall down towards your glass windshield. Now with that said, I'm going to carefully take this blade, I'm going to lift it at this angle, reach underneath here, there's a little tab. Once I grab that tab, I can grab onto this wiper blade and pull it towards myself. Go ahead and slide it right off of there. We'll give it a quick inspection. Now I'm going to gently place this back down on the windshield. Now typically I like to clean the windshield where the wiper blade's going to sit. Holding that arm, we can continue on with our brand new wiper blade. Now at the end of this arm, you can see that it has this hook. That hook needs to go ahead and slide into position right here into the wiper blade, and then you lock it in by pressing it away from you. There we are. Now you want to grab onto it again, give it a little tug to make sure it's completely secured so it does not fly off while you're driving down the road. Carefully place it against your windshield. Now if you're doing them as a pair, go ahead and do the exact same thing to the other side. Tab. Slide it right in, lock it in. There you go.